as we celebrate the annual Research Day today. With this, I would like to call upon stage Professor A.K. Gupta, Dean Research PGI, for his welcome address.
A very good afternoon to all of you. There is no response. I believe you have not taken hot cup of tea, coffee and biscuits. A very good afternoon to all of you. A very good afternoon to all of you. Wonderful, thank you. Respected Professor Y.K. Chawla, Professor Digambar Bera, Professor Jagat Ram, Professor G.D. Puri, I find our former director, Dean Research, Professor Gurpreet Singh, I find senior professors like Professor Arnalok Chakrabarti, B.D. Ridotra, our sub-dean, DDA Saab, our financial advisor Saab, I find Sanjay Jain also, I find so many other, Ashutosh Agarwal, Aditya Agarwal, Dr. Srinivas and so many of you, Dr. and all of you. I may be missing some of the names. Let me share with you that we are celebrating 8th anniversary day. Nothing new. Obviously, there is something new. What is this? After 7th anniversary day, the COVID came and we could not celebrate the 8th anniversary day last year. So when I took over the charge about 1.5 months, I approached the topmost scientists of the PGI and they said, sir, the very first thing should be that we must hold the 8th anniversary day. And lo and behold, in deferment and request of those topmost scientists, we agreed, and then we picked up the right people and total support from our director and the DD and the FA, we are celebrating it. Now, coming to the guest, the choice to select the guest and the guest of honor was a little difficult. And then the best thing happened was, it narrowed down to the two of the very best medical scientists of the country which this PGI has produced. Professor Y.K. Chawla, the Padma Shri awardee, the former director of the PGI, is a member of the large number of AIIMS Institute. I will be filling in, if I start telling, I will not be completing it. He has been involved at the highest level in the government of India. And the best thing is that he was the one who mooted the idea of the anniversary day. Sir, this is your vision which is culminated into 8th anniversary day. Thank you very much for instilling this. And sir has also ensured that every institute, wherever he is, either the chairman or the member or blah, 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 he insists that anniversary day is celebrated. So, sir, your vision has taken this shape, and we are proud of you for laying this foundation. Coming to Professor Digambar Bera, another stalwart of the PGI, known nationally and internationally. He is also Padma Shri awardee. He is the former Dean Research of the Institute. He is the former director of the Chest Diseases Institute at Delhi, an autonomous institute at par with the AIIMS and PGI. And both of them has got the excellent research contribution. If I say H index of these people is X, I will say it may add X plus 25 more. So I will not say how much H index you have. You people have made great contribution to the society, brought the name of the PGI too much high. And I must tell you that as far as research is concerned, a couple of years back, the research funds, which I remember, I am a little old in the administration at PGI. This is I will be ending my tenure at PGI in the coming 31st of December, and I will be completing 26 years as medical superintendent also. And I have seen the growth of the PGI. The research fund was running into single digit, 6 crores, 7 crores. And lo and behold, Professor Chawla laid the foundation, it went on increasing. And in the recent past, it was 40 crores or so per annum. And lo and behold, when the present director did a great job, that he created a post of Dean Research, so that all research activity can be dedicatedly pursued. And the first Dean Research was none other than our Padma Shri awardee, Professor Digambar Bara. He made an immense contribution, and lo and behold, the present day, the research grant at PJ is nearly 100 crores. Many of you must have seen outside. This is attributed to a vision of these stalwarts. And I must say, the infrastructure for the research has gone a big leap. Over a period of time, research processes, inputs has been tremendously improved. And I remember that when I served in, the first and the foremost complaint I received was, sir, the processes of the research MERC and sanctions very, very cumbersome. We took great efforts. The present director supported us, present dean, academy supported, present DDA, present FA, and many others supported us. We made tremendous improvement and processes in the research. Lo and behold, it has improved. And that today, PJ can take pride in saying PJ is one of the best institute for the research activities. Coming to this, I have been working at AIIMS also. I have got the experience of 11 years of working. AIIMS has its own strength, but PJ may be second many times, but not second in fact, because we are away from Delhi. We are 250 kilometers away of site. Otherwise, PJ is no way second in any parameter. I must say that research activity is PJ's mandate is also such, and PJ has been working very hard in the last 8 and 9 years, and every year, every new director, every new senior officer has laid much more stress on the research, and the result is today PJ is many times said to be number 2, but if you see carefully, my people in a harsh tone say, sir, we have recently calculated the H index also. We are very near to AIIMS, and I must tell you, with the help and support of the top management and each one of you, I may not be here for more time, but I will certainly lay the foundation that it becomes number 1 very soon. My dear friends, this is a loud saying. It can be achieved, but it can be achieved only if you contribute, and we on our part will ensure that processes of sanctions, approvals is seamless. You don't have to run around here and there for this thing. So this annual research day is your day. It is you who can make a great performance. We will create an opportunity, infrastructure and a culture there the research is promoted, and it is also as per the PJ MER's agenda, where it is the first objective of PJ when it was created in the act is excellence in research. So my dear friends, I will not like to stand between you and the august speakers. I will end with this, that you will give your very best, and we will see each one of you the medical science on the top of the world. Thank you very much.